Welcome back to this channel. This is Ken Creative Concepts. Today we are going to be learning something very important to you. Stick to this video. I promise you are going to learn something massive, something very important to you. Today I'll be teaching you how to use a very AI tools to make your work easier. These free AI tools turn your idea into stunning diagram instantly. It turns your idea into diagram. Now, if you're a professional, if you're a project planner, pitch writer, report writer, this video is for you. If you're a content creator, a YouTube content creator, this is also for you. If you're an educator, a lecturer, teacher, if you're a student, this content is also for you. I promise you have something great to learn. Just watch this video to the end. If you also work in a team, if you also collaborate with others, this content is rich and prepared for you. Now let's go in and see what I'm talking about. Now this AI tool is called Napkin AI, Napkin AI. This is the visual, the interface of the website of this tool. Now of course you know that you have to create an account to be able to use these tools. To be able to use this tool, you have to create an account. So let's go in. So you click on sign in. When you sign in, hope you can see, you sign in. Once you sign in, you know you have to input your login details, your password and whatever. I have already account with them, so I need not to put that. And also for security purposes, I need not to show them. So I'm logged in already, so I will just do a quick run of how the interface looks like. Okay, so let's go. Now this angle is the library. Here, look at it on my screen. It is in a rectangle is the library. So what is it? It's where all my work are stored, previous work are stored. Also we have new napkin, that is if you want to create a blank interface like this. We also have the studio brand. This is also where this is the interface we have. I will just run you through the interface so that you know how to use it. This is going to be a very quick video. So we have the library. If you can see at the side of my screen, this is the library. This houses all the activities you have done before, all the activities, all your designs you have done before. There they are. The other side of the screen we have the studio. Now this studio gives you inbuilt styles you can use. You can see vibrant stroke, glowful breeze, carefree mist. You have them as many as there are you can use for your work. Now we have the share. Of course you know what the share means. If after your design you can share the link. If you want to collaborate with other designers also, you do that via the share. Here also you can download and use it in your Word if you are using Microsoft Word, if you are using PowerPoint or Excel. So you can download your work in different formats also and use it. Now let's get started. Now what is this used for? For you to start a new workspace, so you click on new napkin. Mine is already on new napkin already. So now what you are going to do is, but before then, let me explain what this Napkin AI is in the first place. Now, what is this Napkin AI in the first place? Now, Napkin AI is an AI-powered visual creation tools that automatically turns your text into structured, customizable visuals. Now, it converts it into visuals like the diagram, mind map, flow charts, chart and infographics. It helps people communicate ideas in more effective without needing designing skills. Very important. You don't need a designing skills now to communicate ideas. Now using this Napkin AI, you'll be able to communicate, design a diagram, flow chart, chart and infographic very easy. It's very easy. Now this is the AI I'm talking about, like I've started already. So let me go now. Now the core functions of this Napkin AI. one of the core function is it's convert text to visual generation. Text to visual generation. Now you paste or import text in the form of notes, list, paragraph, and the AI interprets the concept and the relationships to generate visual automatically. Now I'm going to show you what and how this thing does it. Now stick with me to the end of this video, you will like it, I promise. Number 2, automatic layout and design suggestion. It gives you automatic layout and suggests a design for you. Now this tool proposes different visual layouts: vertical, horizontal, grid, mind map, balancing the readability and the aesthetics. Very, very important. Now the third one is customizable visual element. Users can edit visuals by changing font, color, icon, shapes, and style to better match their brand or purpose. Now, what is the fourth function? Export in multiple formats. After designing your visuals, finished visual, you can download them in PNG, SVG, PDF, or PPT. That is PowerPoint, making it easy to reuse in interpretation, reports, blogs, or social media. If you are here from the beginning, you had me mention different niches that this AI can be used, like in academics, for lecturers and students, content creators, and many more. Now, what is the fifth function? Collaboration tools. It's also a collaboration tool. Napkin support real-time collaboration. Share via link, co-edit with team members, comment, and gather feedbacks. It can be used all this. Now, multi-language support. It supports different languages. The platform supports creating visuals in over 60 languages. The visual will reflect the language of your input texts. It will reflect the language of your input text. Now, smart interpretation is the next one. Now, this AI detects hierarchy and relationship in text so that the output reflects meaning, not just decorative graphics. This helps conserve time over manual diagram creation. Now, what are the importance of this? What we listed earlier was the functions. Now, what are the importance? 1, makes complex idea easy to understand. It makes complex idea easy to understand. People process visual faster than texts. People process visual faster than text. By turning dense or abstract information into structured graphic, Napkin AI provides comprehensive and engagement. Now, what am I trying to say? The essence of it, the important is that it makes a very abstract idea, very complex idea. Now, it structure it and make it easier to understand by humans. Now, what is the second important is save time and effort. This, once you are using it in microseconds, you are done. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the example of how to use this. Now, creating visual manually in tools like PowerPoint, Canva, Illustrator can be slow. If you're a content creator, you know what I'm talking about. Creating content in this, like your PowerPoint design, Canva design, Illustrator, can be slow. Now, Napkin AI speed up this process dramatically, like I said, in seconds. In seconds, by generating a polished visual effect in seconds, if not minutes, or minutes, if not seconds rather. Now, the third importance is it removes diagram scale barrier. You don't need to be a professional to use this. Even if you're a newbie, if you're a learner, you can use this Napkin AI for free. Now, you don't need graphic design expertise. Anyone, student, professional, marketer, educator, can produce professional visual. Trust me. Now, we're going to look at it. Just hold on. Stay. What you see will wow you. Now, the next one is enhanced communication. Whether for presentation, reports, blogs, social content, visual helps convey idea more clearly and memorably, improving decision making and audience impact. That is another important. Now, supports teamwork. I have said this earlier. Now, this editing, commenting, link sharing helps teams to stay aligned and contribute without conversion, without conversion and confusion. You get? Now useful, another useful or important, it's valuable for professionals, project planning, for pitch writing, report writing, for educators and students, for lesson visual, concept map, for content creators, perhaps social graphics and blog visuals, for team collaborative workflow, as I've said that before. Now, who benefit most? Now, Napkin AI is especially useful for people who work with structured information but are not designers. If you're not a designer but you work with a structured information, now this tool is for you. Now, another one is those who want to move ideas, notes to visual storytelling fast. If you want to communicate your idea using visuals, you need this. Yes, you need this. Now, teams that need to share and iterate visual quickly, my brother, my sister, you need this tool. You need these tools. Now, let's go to a design and see how it is work. Now, I'm going to open a work and copy the text and place it here so that you will see all I've mentioned. You will see it for yourself. I want to show you all that I've mentioned earlier. So I copy the work. Here, this is it. This is safety protocols and rules in laboratory. Now, let's assume these are lists that you want to generate their visuals using Napkin. Now, after copying it from your work, maybe from Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, all you need to do is print it into a new tools here. Now, by the side of this, you see a blue tools. Now, you click on it. Once you click on it, you allow it, give it microsecond. Now, it will scan through your document and suggest for you. Now, you can see our graphics have been designed. Now, supposing you don't want this, all you need to do is go to the side. There are different options which you can use. You can see this one. You can see this. If you don't want this one, you still go back and use this. You can use this. Now, how beautiful. Now, wow, look at this. Very, very, very beautiful. If you don't want this one, you can use this one. Now, this is how these things are being done. Very simple, easy, and fast. If you are not using this tool, you are lagging behind. Let's assume, as you can see, this is it. Wow. This is another one. Wow. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This is another one too. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Now, I'm going to click on this one. You have different versions as well. If you want a heavy color, this is it. If you want a light color, this is it. If you want something not light, this is it. If you have it. If you want this one, this is it. So I'm going to take one of it too. Now I have it. As you can see, I have my visual without knowing how to design, without going to any designer, without using any tool but just this one tool. Now you can see the stunning result I've gotten. Now, if you want to use this result in your PowerPoint, Word, all you need to do is, before then, I'm going to show you all the things I have, all the things I've explained earlier. I'm going to show you. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Follow me, explain all these things to you so that you understand better. Now, these are the things I explained to you, the functions. Now, text to visual, okay? Very well. Core functions. Now, text to visual, like we have done. You followed me. I copied this text. It converted it to visual. Now, automatic layout and design suggestion, just like we did. It showed some designs by the side, if you can remember, where we selected different formats from, which we can also change the visual like this. Also, customizable visual elements. You can customize it. You can change whatever you want to change here. Like you can see active, if you want to add anything, supposing there's a mistake, you can add and you can remove. You have seen it. Even here, look, no food or drink. If there is anything, you can customize it and add, let's say, water. You can do anything you want to do. Neat and easy. It's customizable visual element. You can export it to multiple formats. PNG now, you come to share, like I said before. If you come to share here, you can export if you want. You can export to all visuals. You have the PNG, SAV, PowerPoint. You can export it. Now I'm going to export it and also show you. Now, but before then, we'll still go back to what we are doing. So now collaborative tools. Now, these collaborative tools here also, you have the share. Now from here you can copy the link and share it with other team members. You can also authorize people who can comment, view, whatever you want to do. Now this is collaboration. You collaborate with people. You mustn't be in the same location with somebody to use this together. Wherever they are in the world, they can use it. Now if you are getting value from this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I promise to be bringing you educating content like this. I drop video weekly. Just make sure you keep visiting this channel and you will be enriched with knowledge. Now let me go back to multi-languages. It supports different languages which you supply to. Now smart interpretation. Now you can see how smart this diagram is and other diagrams. Like very fantastic. Very fantastic. Now another one, we have also covered all these, the importance and whatever. Now this is a smart tools to work with. Now thank you for staying with me through these lessons. If you like this video, please share it so that it will reach to people who needs it. You never can tell who need this video. Educators all over the world, they need this video. Content creators need this video. Every other person need this video. Just share this video to them and they will appreciate you. Like, comment, drop your comment. If you have a question, if you have a suggestion, if you have anything, drop it on the comment section. I'll be there reading each and every of your comments and replying to you instantly. Till I come your way again. Thank you very much and see you. God bless you for watching.